Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level pertains. It's just not relevant to the chart right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible going forward. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, right here at $1.40 was that area of support, but you can see with the gap down, that's right where the price ultimately broke down below it and then went right into acting as resistance there. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside, which is looking like is possible. I mean, things were definitely looking shaky earlier on in the day, but to give some credit where credit's due from where it was at these lows to where it closed, very clearly there's a little miniature bounce here. So like I said, if that bounce continues right there, then yeah, it'll be a big battle and a big kind of area to help kind of gauge the health of any sort of bounce on whether or not the price can get back above that $1.40 or not. So more of the story there. If the bounce continues, $1.40 initial key battleground to watch. As far as levels of support now to watch going forward, big level that stands out right here at this dollar mark. You go back to the history of the chart, you can see dollar did a great job of acting as support right there from a few days ago, and then you fast forward to late morning, and once again did a great job of holding that support right there. So dollar mark, a lot of people are going to be watching that area as a key level that you want to see hold going forward. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, there's no doubt about it. Today was definitely a very deep pullback. But like I said, price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the price can ultimately get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.